Chapter 5: The Skeletal and Muscular System. Organs in human body. In human body, there are two types of organs: external and internal organs. External organs. We can see external organs with our eyes. The eyes, ears, nose, mouth, skin, legs and hands are some examples of external organs. Internal organs. On the other hand, the stomach, brain, heart, lungs and kidney are some examples of internal organs, and these organs are inside the body and we can't see them. Body organ system. Many organs together make up an organ system. The body is made up of various systems like the respiratory system, the circulatory system, the nervous system, the excretory system, the reproductive system, the skeletal system and the muscular system. Now we will learn about the skeletal system. Our skeletal system is a framework of bones and joints that protect our soft internal organs. The bones give support, strength and shape to our body. An adult human has 206 bones of different shapes and sizes. The human skeleton is made up of the skull, the backbone, the rib cage, the forelimbs or arms, and the hind limbs or legs. The arms and legs are attached to the shoulder girdle and the hip girdle. The large bones have soft bone marrow inside them where blood cells are produced. The skull is made up of 22 bones. The upper part consists of 8 flat bones and they form the brain case which protects the brain. The face has 14 bones which give it shape and structure. The lower jaw is the only bone in the face that can be moved. It helps us to eat and talk. The skull is connected to the backbone or the vertebral column. It is made up of 33 small bones. The spinal cord passes through this vertebral column. The vertebral column is flexible and help us bend. The rib cage. The bones in our chest protect the heart, lungs and other delicate organs. The sternum or breastbone is the hard bone in the middle of our chest. 12 pairs of long carved bones called ribs are attached to the breastbone in the front and the backbone at the back to form the rib cage. The last 2 pairs of ribs are called floating ribs as they are joined only to the backbone. Now forelimbs and the hind limbs. Forelimb means the hands and the hind limbs means legs. The bones in our arms and legs are longer than the other bones in our body. The bone in the upper arm is joined to the shoulder girdle. The shoulder girdle consists of the shoulder blade and the collarbone. Many small bones form our wrist, palm, and fingers. The femur is the longest bone in our body. It bears the entire weight of our body. The upper end of the femur bone is connected to the hip girdle. The lower end of the femur bone is connected to the lower leg. Our feet, ankles, and toes are made up of several small bones. Now, functions of the skeletal system. The skeleton gives shape, structure, and form to the body. It protects the delicate internal organs. The skull protects the brain. The eyes are protected in the bony eye sockets. The heart, lungs are protected by the rib cage. The spinal cord is protected by the vertebral column. The urinary bladder is protected by the hip girdle.